Hi, I'm Jayne Brogan and I'm an educator for Janome UK. I'm really excited to be here with you today with our latest machine, which is the Memorycraft 9480 QC Professional. This is the latest addition to our professional range of machines, and we're here today with a sneak preview of some fabulous features which are on the machine. We've got everything we would expect with one of the Janome Professional machines. We've got an extra wide table, we've got the long throat space, fantastic range of features on here. We've also still got the light that we can pull out, which is really good for visibility. Pop the lid up here. Everything's contained. We've got the whole stitch chart with all the different features which are available. We've also got something extra on here at the moment. So we've got the dials down here, which are for fine tuning, which is a feature as a quilter. I particularly like these, so we can alter the width and the length very easily. I've got a little sneak preview here of what's in the box, so I'm just going to have a quick look for us. We now have the automatic stitch regulator which comes with this machine, which is absolutely fabulous for when you're quilting. I'm going to pop it out. So we now have the little, there we go, so I'm going to take that out. That's the actual foot here with us, and we come with a range of different feet with it as well. So we've got our standard quilting foot, we have got our 1/4 inch ruler work foot, which is fabulous. We've got the circular foot and also the open toe quilting foot. So it's just pure preference of what you prefer when you're doing your quilting. It just means it's so easy to get accurate, regular stitching with all your quilting. Perfect stitches every time.